Looking for a job in the US and want a professional resume that stands out? You don't need to spend hours formatting or pay for a resume writer. In this video, I'll show you how to create a polished resume using AI, completely free. Let's start with Teal. Go to tealhq.com and sign up. Once you're in, click on Resume Builder. You can create multiple versions of your resume for different job applications. The AI will help you write bullet points tailored to each role, and you can save everything in one place. It's perfect if you're applying to more than one job at a time. Next up is Rezi. This tool gives you instant feedback on how well your resume will perform with applicant tracking systems. Just enter your job title and let the AI write your experience and achievements. Rezi also gives you a score to show how optimized your resume is. Aim for a score above 85 before you hit download. Another great option is Kickresume. It gives you stylish templates and AI suggestions based on your profession. You can use the free version to generate a clean, modern resume. The interface is super beginner-friendly, and you can even add a cover letter. If you want something quick and don't want to make an account, try FlowCV. It's fast, easy to use, and completely free. Just go to flowcv.io, start editing, and download your resume instantly. It's perfect for students, freelancers, or anyone who needs a resume fast. Finally, there's Zety. This one helps you build your resume step by step and offers smart AI suggestions along the way. Choose your template, answer a few questions, and your resume is done. You'll need to sign up for some features, but it's worth it if you want extra polish. Now, here are a few tips to make sure your resume works for US jobs. Use a professional email address and avoid nicknames. Keep it short, ideally 1 page for entry level, 2 pages max if you have more experience. Always use US spelling, and if possible, include your LinkedIn profile. Don't just list responsibilities, focus on achievements and use numbers wherever you can. And that's it. With these free AI tools, creating a powerful US-style resume is easier than ever. No design skills needed, no payment required. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who's job hunting. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, tools, and job tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.